Hello and welcome. Meet the FXOCSHE Rectangular Dog Basket, a versatile and collapsible storage solution perfect for any room. Made from durable polyester canvas with a waterproof inner coating and soft linen cotton, it's both sturdy and skin-friendly. Its compact size fits closets, nurseries, bathrooms, and more, making organization easy and stylish. With a cute dog paw design and lightweight leather handles, it adds charm and portability to your space. Use it for toys, clothes, laundry, or even pet supplies to keep your home neat and tidy. Plus, its foldable design saves space when not in use. If wrinkles appear after shipping, simply smooth them out with a steam iron or hair dryer for a fresh look. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.